You have to be honest. Am I ugly, yes or no? You have to be honest. Am I ugly, yes or no?
Give it, listen to the hit, I got it, pop, did, pop, did, pop, give it, pop, 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 pop.
No, don't turn me into a hat.
Eat a 2-week-old unrefrigerated pie. Dumb ways to die.
Put your hands in the air and move with the sound to the earthquake.
Real mature, Huxley.
Oh, please. You never threw an axe when you were my age?
Of course I did. I never missed.
Why are you looking at me like that?
I'm fine with doing whatever, as long as I get to see funny things happen to people. Okay, I've already had enough of these things.
But if you do that, they will think you're weird. Who are they? My friends? They know I'm weird. My family? They knew it before my friends did. Random people I don't know or like?
You took everything from me. Why? Why? Because it's fun.
Dancing, I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Coming out, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put your body on me. Coming out, follow my lead. I'm coming out, follow my lead.
Привет, Ваня. Офицер.
Я здесь, папочка!
Привет, Ваня. Офицер!
See how long I can carry tail. So yeah. Birds! What? Owie! Ow!
Okay, I will teach you and everyone. So I don't know what I need to write, so yeah. BTW, I have a new eyes for him. This is going to be a bit difficult, so you need to practice. Bye, thanks you for watching this long...
Indonesia is not just wonderful. Indonesia is a wonderland.
Tutorial how to make a hand dragon. What you will need: paper 2, something to cut with, glue, tape, pencil. Step 1. Fold the paper in half and cut it. Step 2. Fold both of the papers, as I do, and glue and tape them together. Step 3. Fold them in half and cut one shorter, it would be the mouth. Step 4. Place on paper and draw around it, then make it longer so that it can stick. Step 5. Cut and fold as I do. Step 6. Get the big ones and glue and tape them to the other part. Do the same on the small ones. Step 7. Tape them together and decorate. Voila!
I just wanna cause a little entropy. Well, I got no good intention. The fourth dimension is my own mansion.
Orange? Who made the console orange?
Do I look orange?
I didn't touch it.
Orange is not my color.
Not me.
Hello, everybody.
California.
You think I'm gonna tell you?
Don't be freaked. Stay in your seats. I do this bullshit like 8 times a week.
I told you we needed more glitter.
I tried to get their waiter's attention by blinking Morse code.
Why are you blinking so much?
I've got something in my eye.
Here, let me get it out.
No thank you. I don't wanna die.
This is my face. This is my other face. This is my name. And this is my therapy video.
Happy Halloween. It's not Halloween. Shut the fuck up.
There wouldn't be this if there hadn't been you.
I took one of your organs last night. Say goodbye to your periods.
No, I don't think you understand. I'm obsessed.
Spend money like it don't mean nothing, and besides I got a thing for you. I see you whining and grinding up on that pole. I know you see me looking at you, and you already know I wanna fuck you. Don't tell anyone, but they're all just jealous of how pretty I am. You know what you're doing, so keep on moving. Got all the niggas like, hey, girl, I'm trying to loosen you. Having that with that goose and juice. Baby, tell me what it's gonna be. Look at them sparks coming right now. Looking like Fox to the line. You're officially coming with me.
Mi mami me quitó el celular en la playa. Me dijo, niño malo, esa batería estalla. Talla, 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 talla.
gotta tell you something.
Yeah, what's going on?
I'm bald.
What? Girl. Me too.
Barely 2 words in, and you already look like you want me dead. You're getting all worked up over nothing. You've changed. You're getting weak.
Barely 2 words in, and you already look like you want me dead. You're getting all worked up over nothing. You've changed. You're getting weak.
Hey, Italian man. Huh?
What is going on here? Oh! Can I just shut the f*** up here?
You don't sound Russian?
How could I sound anything, silly? I'm plastic. I don't even have a voice box. I had to borrow this one. Don't turn on the light.
Are you going to kill me?
No! I mean, yes, but not for a good long while yet.
So her ears are basically connected to each other with this stick. I don't really know what it is. And this is how they work. I don't really know how to explain how I'm moving them because I'm not really doing anything. Like, I'm not even touching the stick. I just move my puppet around like, I don't know. But they can also do full circles like this. So yeah.
Wretch, we're wretch, we're the wretch.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I can roast, I can gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're
So you'll want to make one of these. Well, here is a tut. First, fold the paper in using a 3 paper, but any paper works. Next, take one of the shorter edges where you will be drawing the wing. Make sure that the wing is one that's more aerodynamic, otherwise your creature will fall. After that, unfold your wings and color them. After coloring them, make the body, and please don't be like me and forget the tail, otherwise your creature will fall, and maybe do a barrel roll. Once you made the body, attach the wings to the body. If they flop down like mine, add extra support with cardboard. Next, add some extra cardboard to the neck and head of the creature for weight so it doesn't do a tail dive. The center of mass should be somewhere at the place near where the neck and wings meet. After checking the center of mass, make sure it's symmetrical, cause if it isn't, it won't fly.
Hello everyone, I'm going to show you guys how to make the 6-split puppet base. Enjoy! What you're going to need is some paper, some scissors, and glue. Take one sheet of paper and cut it in half. Now what you're going to do is fold them. I would recommend folding them pretty thin because your base is going to allegedly go on this. So Then you're gonna glue it together so it doesn't go loose or anything. Like this, and you're gonna fold it in half. Like this. Do the same with the other side. So you should have 2 of these right now. Next, what you're gonna do is you're gonna make the size of the triangles the size of your 2 fingers. That way, just measure your 2 fingers like this, so you'll see 2 markings there. Then take your triangle, place it on, and trace out the base. Like this. Now you're going to cut it out by leaving some of the edges on the sides. Like this. Now you're going to fold this exactly on those edges. Like this. And you're going to trace it out on another paper. So then you should have 2 of them the exact same size. Now you're going to take all your parts and paste them together like this. Then they should look like this. They should be the same size exactly to fit on top of each other. Cut out 2 pieces of paper like this and paste it like this. One on the outside and one on the inside. Now your base can stay together, like this. Now make 2 more sets of these. After you got 3 bases like this, I'll show you how to paste them. So you're going to put them together like this. And you're going to be pasting them over here on all the edges where they should be together. It should look like this. Paste it together on the inside and outside. Make 5 rings for your puppet. Place the rings like this, put your hand in like this, and there you go.
Hi everyone, so today I'm gonna be doing a tutorial of a dragon like this, with this bone here, since so many people have asked me how I did it. Enjoy! So first you obviously need the design. Here is my design, so let's get to work. So first you get your cardboard. I use this brown thick cardboard from Amazon boxes. Here is a big one, huge one. Then you will need scissors. You will need something to draw with on the cardboard. And you might need a knife like this. The first thing you will need to do is draw the base like this. Take a screenshot and then do it like this. Don't forget that you will need space for the bone. Here, there will be the bone. So don't forget to add it here, and then we're gonna cut it out. Here is how it should look like when you cut it out. Then you turn it around and trace it with a pencil and cut it out again. You should have 2 of these now. Next you take your parts and place them that way. Here. So you have like this little space in between. Then you take the pencil and then you have to trace the space that is between. I'm gonna show it then at the end. It should come out like this at the end. Then you cut it out. If you are done with cutting it out, then we needed to trace 3 more times. 1 time, then 2nd time, and a 3rd time, and then cut it out again. You should have 4 parts like this now. Next you cut off the jaw of the upper part of the dragon. Like this. Then you flip it, put it down here like that, trace it, and then cut it out again. Should be something like this now. Then you need your glue gun. Then you take 2 of these parts you have and glue it to the jaw. One this and one here. It should come out as something like that. Then you measure how much you need for that part here. Here's my measure. Then you cut it out. Here's mine. And do another one like that. Here you take your last part, place it like that, trace it, and then cut it out. Then you glue all of the parts together. When it looks like this, without the down part, you put the muzzle, like the front of it, down on a piece of cardboard and trace it right here, so you can have the muzzle on the front then. It should come out like this in the end. Here, this is your front muzzle. Then you basically do the same thing with the other jaw part. Here you measure the cardboard you need for it. When you're done with cutting it out, you trace it on the other part, because you need it twice. Then you should have 2 parts like these again. Then you glue both of the parts together with the jaw part. When it looks like this, without the down part, you will need some piece of cardboard that you should also measure, I recommend, to put it like in the middle here, so you can attach the bone to it at the end. Here is how my part looks like. it should end up looking like this. Then you have to glue the last part here on the top so it looks like this. After you finish this part, you take the second part, the jaw part, and just glue it together like this down here with just a piece of cardboard. So it looks like this. Then you need a piece of paper, A4, and then you need to make a tube. Like you just roll it together. Then add glue here. Like don't make it messy too, it's just an example. And you have a tube. And then you need to cut off these sharp ends. When you have your tube, you take the front muzzle and glue the tube down to the muzzle here with hot glue. Make sure to make it in the middle or at the top, like how you want to do it. I do it in the middle, and then should look like that. And then the other side of the tube, you glue it to the big part of the base. Should look like this. Sorry for the way I'm holding it right now, because I just gotta use the phone. But here is how it should look like. Yeah, and wait till it dries. I also just glued a piece of cardboard here, so it won't fall down the tube. You should also do that, because it won't be secure without this here. And then you should have your finished base. It's pretty clumsy, I know, because it was pretty complicated to do it down here and up here. I know I explained it pretty complicated, but I tried my best to explain it. I hope you guys understood at least anything of that. Yeah, thanks for watching.